You got this. Just don't think. Just do it. Just do it.
I don't know.
Fucking kidding.
Parkour.
I follow you.
Oh, there's the golf ball.
Check it out.
Just do it.
You suck.
What? I suck? I suck!
And also we have.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, you turn up the volume? I didn't get a straw. They never gave me a straw. Do you have a straw in here? Losses.
She did.
No, that's rude.
Rude.
You knew. 濃いチーズナゲットお願いします。
Yeah.
You want more? It's cold.
Yeah. I want to try spicy one.
Alright, we'll get there, don't worry. Alright, we'll get there, don't worry.
I don't know why it's beeping.
Is that like a battery?
Yeah. Go for that.
Oh, you do get it on battery, you got 34%. 34%.
Finally, you remember numbers.
I love math.
You math. Math man.
Mathematician.
Math.
Did you say meth? You better not be doing that shit, man. No, I'm seriously, I'll kick your ass if you do meth. I would, yeah, you'd destroy your life if you ever did that. Don't do it.
Yeah. You know, that drug is made by Japan.
Meth? They make meth. I think meth.
It's from Japan. We made it.
Okay, so, it was invented or established or invented in Japan. I see. Really?
So that's why meth is called shabu in Philippines. Shabu is in Japanese. Then they have the name in Philippines.
So when I lived in Australia,
Yeah.
my next door neighbor
Yeah.
was cooking meth. I kid you not. We found out about this later, and it's the scariest shit because that building could have blown up any time. You know, that house next door.
Yeah.
But we figured it out. We basically figured it out because we saw all of these random people showing up to this house all the time. Like, you know, they stay outside the door. They had somebody hand it to them and they just walk away. I'm like, yeah. And eventually the cops came and arrested them. Sometimes, like, thank God. Yeah. Scary shit.
Yeah. We really don't see like that kind of junkies here. I saw
It's
in
big
Takamatsu.
it was big in Australia.
Yeah.
It's big in America too.
Big problem.
Yeah, very sad. Very sad how drugs can take people's lives away. Sorry, what were you saying? You said something about Takamatsu?
I saw like super weird Oji-san
Okay.
in Takamatsu was like doing.
I see a lot of them in Takamatsu.
Yeah,
A lot of weird old guys there.
Yeah.
I almost got in a fight with an old guy there last time I was there. Yeah. No, I mean, it's like I'm not gonna fight an old guy, but man, dude, I wanted to like teach him a lesson. He ends up being very racist. Very racist. Yeah.
Out there.
Fight you.
Thank you.
Whoa!